In order to change your font size on Google Chrome, please go ahead and load into Google Chrome like you normally would. Then go to the top right and select on these three buttons. Then scroll down and select on settings. Then afterwards, go to the left menu and press on appearances. Then over here, you'll see this option that says customizable fonts. And you just want to go ahead and press on it right over here. Then over here, you guys are able to use these two sliders in order to adjust your text size. So if you need to increase the size of your text, then you can go ahead and turn it up over here. And where it says medium font size, you can go ahead and turn it on just like so. So please go ahead and do that. And you guys are also able to go ahead and change things like the standard font and stuff like that. So that is 100% up to you. So you can really adjust it to your needs. And then from here, once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and begin browsing the web. But keep in mind that the bigger font is only going to be applied to some websites. Unfortunately, it is not going to be applied to every website due to Chrome limitations. So only certain websites will have enlarged text. So again, please keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.